Come bank on it. You can put a
Hey guys, and welcome. My name is Lulu if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved yet to find it. I like starting off with blending the edges of the concealer to make sure that there are no harsh lines and that the concealer blends well with the foundation. I then take a foundation brush and I just go over the concealer to make sure again that there are absolutely no harsh lines. I'm going to start off with cream contour, and for that I'm going to use the Illegal Pro Conceal in the color Chestnut to contour. I prefer the color of the contour to be not too dark because I am going to go over with a darker powder to set. When contouring your nose, especially if you're using the cream contour method, you need to find a brush that is going to help you blend the concealer well. If you use the wrong brush, you might end up ruining your contour and having to start all over again trying to fix the mess you have made. After applying your cream contour underneath your cheekbones, you can blend going in an upward motion. For cream blush, I'm going to use this one from Glam. It's from Shein, and you can absolutely use a lipstick if you have that is not too dark, that is going to blend well with your skin. The trick is in the blending, guys. You just need to make sure that you blend very well when it comes to applying your products. When you apply foundation, you blend. When you apply concealer, you blend. When you apply blush, you blend. Blend away, guys. Next up is to set everything, and for that I'm using this powder puff, which I also got from Shein. I'm going to take as little product as possible to set the under eye, and then that is when we're going to bake. And to do that, I'm using the Yardley From there on, we're going to define the contour that we did earlier, and for that I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 352 Truffle. Same concept with the cream contour. You're going to blend going in an upward motion, and remember, you can use as little product as possible. You don't have to dip so much into your powder. You can and I'm just going to clean that up with the concealer we used in the beginning. I'm gonna go in with that Essence mascara on my bottom lashes. Smudge matte lipstick. I'm applying it on the bottom lip, not really so much on the upper lip. And then here I am using the lip gloss from Essence. I have this lip gloss in different other colors. It's thick and it really lasts a long time. And here is the final look, you guys. I love it so much. With affordable products. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys found this video somewhat informative. I hope you liked it and all of that good stuff. See you in my next video, guys. Don't forget to give me some love by clicking the like button, and definitely comment down below what you think of the look and any suggestions for future videos. That would be nice. Thank you for tuning in. Bye. See you in my next one.